So to start with learning, there are a couple fallacies of learning. Some of these you may have heard previously and may or may not agree with me 100% on all of these. But animals really are a little more simple than oftentimes we give them emotional credit for. They can form simple abstract concepts, but some of the bigger moral implications that we try to apply to their behavior sometimes can be a little bit more than what they really deserve, if you will. Animals typically don't act out of spite. They don't feel guilt or remorse. These are really moral applications that we humans have put on them. So, understanding right from wrong. Animals aren't necessarily moral, but amoral. So things are safe or not safe. Animals are not necessarily jealous. If you look at the definition of jealousy, it'd be something like, I don't like you as a person because you have gray hair or something like that. They can be competitive for attention, but not liking another individual overall because of a certain feature isn't necessarily something they're quite qualified to be able to do. Boredom is another one that tends to get thrown around a lot with animals. And I think, again, this might be a little bit bigger of a construct than they're really able to wrap their little heads around, if you will. Frustration, however, is certainly something that we do see in animals. And a lot of times the definition of looking at this is being motivated to do something, but not necessarily having the appropriate outlet or releasing stimulus to perform that behavior.